So I'm here with Thijs, my Swedish buddy.
In his Volvo, powered by Volvo.
And his total budget for his car is actually less than my trailer. And he's faster. So that's how life is. But I guess in Sweden they a lot better than managing their money than I am. But still, awesome car. Today I'm gonna try to do a 9-second run. So hopefully that's gonna materialize. I'm gonna cheer for him and film it. So stay tuned.
Låg 10 innan. Alltså inte idag, men tidigare gånger på Emmaboda har kört låg 10. Och sen har vi Tis Christiansen som alltså har den här kylarservice Volvo 1.0. Det är lite coolt. Då är 60-fotan på 1,5